Hey guys, this is another quick video on how to add TikTok profile link to your Instagram bio. As you can see here, I have opened my TikTok account. Go to your profile and then tap the three horizontal lines located at the top right portion. Choose Settings and Privacy, and from the list of options, choose the Share Profile. Then copy the link of your profile using this button, Copy Link. Then open your Instagram application. Here in the Instagram application, go to your profile, choose the Edit Profile here. Then in your Edit Profile, there is a Add Link option. Tap, then choose Add External Link. Paste here the copied TikTok profile link, and then you can put here your title. After that, tap the check icon, and let's go to our profile. As you can see here, the TikTok profile link has been added to our Instagram bio. That's it guys. I hope that this video helps you a lot, and keep following for more video tips.